make pizza. The yummiest pizza of all. Now let's start. Our ingredients are, for now we have to use is flour, 500 grams of flour, salt, 300 ml of warm water, and yeast. 1 bag of yeast. Now let's put the flour. Now we put the flour, 500 grams, and 3 pinches of salt for taste. And if you feel to put a little bit more, put a little bit more, like I did. Now, first you have to mix it before you add any ingredient. Just mix it normally. Now, I got my scissors and some yeast, and let's cut and put the whole bag in and put it into the water. And mix it very well. So now, if you see any lumps after you mixed it, just smash it to the side with the spoon and then you mix it and then it'll come. Now you have to pour it in the batter. Now we have to start mixing. Mix very well so the batter comes very good. So now let's put so get a bowl and then put some flour so you get everything out.
Yep.
That you have to do stretch and fold. Stretch and fold. Stretch and fold. And I even wash my hands, but not washing my hands with water. There's a pizza way how to wash your hands. It's just using powder. Easy. Okay, now we rolled it. We rolled it and we cut one part. Now let's make them into balls. Now with these 4 bits, I've done 4 portions. And now we have some semolino. And we have to put all around the tray. Parents, you could ask your children to do this. This piece, it is super fun. That's why I want to make pizza. I want to make pizza every single day. And now, let's put the 4 portions, like 1. Now my mom just reminded me to put powder on top. So, some powder. Now, we need to put it in the oven for 2 hours. Yeah, not in the oven, but you can do it if you want. Just anywhere where there's a warm place. And now, we're going to keep it for 2 hours. And bye-bye, I'm going for a bike ride outside. Guys, now I went to my scooter. It's because there's a bad reason with my bike. My bike has a little problem that my mom can't fix. She can't do it. And my dad's doing work. And he's upstairs in the house. And look at these green leaves. They're super nice. Now, let's see. Because I'm making my own pizza, and it especially did not rise up very good. I don't know why. It always comes good, but I hope it comes good for you. Now we get it. we make it. Okay, now I'm gonna make this in a flat pizza. Make sure it's not too thin or not too thick, not too anything. Just perfect. Now my mom made a nice circle. Well, not a circle. Now I'm gonna put the tomato sauce. Don't put too much. Well, now I'm gonna put my crazy toppings on. My crazy toppings are sweet corn, cheese, and mozzarella cheese. And now let's put the sweet corn first. No, not the sweet corn first, the cheese first. I'm gonna add my sweet corn. Oops, one sweet corn fell down. Let's pick it up. On the top, I'm gonna put some mozzarella. One bit. You'll think, what is this taste? Is it the cheese? Is it the sweet corn? I'll go crazy. Oh yeah, I forgot. If write your favorite flavor, your favorite toppings on pizza right in the comment below. Wait a second, am I doing a video? Oh, I get it. I thought I was not doing a video, so I started eating. Look at this long cheese. Oh, it broke. I love cheese. Now we have to drizzle some olive oil. I got a big spoon, but don't put all of it. Now I'm going to put this in the oven. Now my pizza is in the oven cooking. My yummy pizza. Do you want to see what? Do you want to know what would happen in the end? Write in the comments. Now I'm gonna get my pizza. My pizza is ready. Ta-da! And that's my mommy and daddy's one. And I got my pizza cutter. You might ask an adult for a sharp object. Now let's cut it. Now I'm gonna eat my yummy pizza. Well, it's hot, so I have to wait for some time. Well, because I want to eat it quickly. Now I'm gonna taste my yummy mozzarella pizza. Yummy! Super yummy. Super cooper yummy. Oh yes, I forgot. Between first when we made the pizza dough and then when we got it ready, I just need to tell you, you have to find out, spot the difference. Okay? And if you like my pizza pizza share, and pizza subscribe.